Okay, we're walking to our plane. It's actually a bigger plane than we thought it was going to be. But nonetheless, it's still cool. We are out here. Next stop is the Masai Mara. Just got off the plane. We are heading to Olonana. This is our car, our Jeep. We're ready for this adventure to begin, right, Linz?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go.
All right. We are now aboard our chariot. We got Anthony, our driver, here. What's up? Hola. All right. Hola. Hola.
Hola. Thank you. Sure, thank you.
Oh, hey guys. Welcome to my crib. Come on in. Right this way. Alright, here we have the bedroom where all the magic happens. And here we've got a nice view of the hungry hippos. Can you see that ginormous hippo out there? Look at him. Alright, well when I'm not enjoying my view of the hippos, I like to spend time in my bathroom. Let me show you this one. Alright, so here's my bathroom. And there's my bathtub. It's one person, but my favorite part is I have 3 shower heads in my bathroom. So, you know, when I have parties, I can have 3 people at one time, you know, cleaning up. And if I'm feeling really brave to get a mosquito bite, I spend my time out here in the day bath. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my place. Now, get the hell out. Okay, day 1 of safari. We're on our way to meet our guide, Linz. What animals are we gonna see today?
I'm hoping for a kill.
Ooh, a kill would be pretty nice. We'll see. Alright, we're on our way to the Maasai village with Julius. He's our guide. Say hi, Julius.
Hi. Super.
We're going to dance with the people.
Jumping and make sure.
Jumping. And what else?
And dancing with Lindsay will dance with the other ladies.
I'm ready to dance.
Yeah.
We got our dancing boots on. So we're out here in the Mara, we're in cheetah country, and one of the other jeeps has spotted a cheetah. And there's 5 jeeps all headed to the same spot. We're gonna go check it out right now.
I see it, I see it. Matt's having a real fangirl moment right now.
Where are we, Linz?
Well, I'm in Tanzania, and now I'm in Kenya. But now I'm back in Tanzania. Now I'm in Kenya again. And now I'm in both.
Oh.
So we've got our little picnic safari lunch going on here. How cute is that? Obviously I got the wine. And got the man.
The husband.
And the husband.
Building where I was supported by the Mara.
Hi! How are you? Yeah. Jumbo!
Welcome to Sundowner on the Mara River. Check out the view. It's beautiful. And the weather's moving. Cheers. We've got our looks going, which are very
Serving
important.
Amelia Earhart vibes up in this bitch.
Okay, well, Amelia Earhart crashed her plane across the Atlantic Ocean, so we're not really going for that vibe.